make you get naked in front of a bunch of other dudes. So there's like 30 of us in this room standing up against the wall, and they're like, all right, get naked. And so I'm like, okay. And I just turned 18, so I'm like all embarrassed.
Yeah.
And I'm
a grown boy.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I'm freaked out.
Yeah.
So like everyone's just getting naked, and I'm like, oh my God, I just got to do it.
Yeah.
Because what else is
Yeah.
it? So I'm just staring at the wall, and I'm standing there in the buff, right? And then they go, now squat and cough, and I'm like, what the is that? And so everyone like squats and coughs, and he's like, squat and cough, and he's like yelling at me like, you ain't doing it right, deeper. And I'm like squatting, and he's like, spread your cheeks, and I'm like trying my best not to get an ass whooping. So I'm like, I'm squatting.
Or shit on the floor.
I'm squatting so deep. I'm like, and he's like, spread your cheeks wider and cough. And I'm like, just like coughing. and then like I was the one who didn't know how to do it the best. So like he had to get on me the worst. So then after that, after that though, I didn't care, because it was like, I already done exposed the inside of my sphincter to everybody. So, like.
Gets you over it real quick.
Yeah.